Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add emojis to your messages and emails you send via Canary Mail. So let us guide you through it. So open up a new message in Canary Mail by clicking into that button at the top. I will go with that drafted message here. So click into the text field, and there are two ways how you can add emojis. Option number one, guys, you simply copy and paste emojis from external sites if you like. You can do that of course as well. Or option number two, you simply use the built-in emoji feature. You will find it here at the very right hand side next to the markdown button. And yeah, select one of these. You can also use these options here, like for example, I don't know, if I go with that one here, that should give us an emoji like this. Okay, it looks like that, but you can always simply use these here like that and go, for example, through these categories, and I don't know, a New Year's Eve emoji and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how I do it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.